This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced Amazon seller, and today I'm going to show you how to get past a very important change that Amazon is making to FBM shipping templates. Basically, if you have a price-banded shipping template, which I do use, they're going to automatically change them to free shipping for the lower 48 states unless you change them by March 24th, 2026. So I'm going to be going through and showing you how to update a price-banded shipping template to something that is item-based. Using the Amazon Seller Central shipping settings. So let's get started. So here's the shipping settings. Here's the default non-auto template. This is the one that I use for most of my orders that are going out FBM. So I'm going to click the button that says Edit Template. And when we take a look at what we have right now, it will show that I have all of these price bands. So for instance, I used to set it up by different regions depending on how long it would take to get there. You can see like if the price is between $0 and $25 and it's going to New Hampshire, the shipping price will be $3.99. So if I don't do anything, that will change to free shipping for those orders, and I definitely don't want that. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is, it says rate model, it's price banded is selected. I'm changing it to per item weight based and pressing OK. Handling time setting, same day, I do not want that. I just think that's very unreasonable. Something comes in at 1:30 p.m. and I happen not to be at my desk, and it's just going to be impossible to get that out by the same day. So I'm not going to do that. I am for all of these different regions that I've set up here. Amazon says you can't have anything that's going to the lower 48 has to have the same rate. So I have to delete these regions that I carefully set up a couple years ago. I'm going to get rid of this message, get rid of that, delete Massachusetts, and delete the rest of the continental 48. And I think I can keep Hawaii and Alaska like it is. So by the way, when I do send something to Hawaii and Alaska, you need to have a longer transit time. And also the shipping typically is a lot more. So I think usually if I'm doing ground advantage to either of those two places, it's usually between like $8 and $9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set that to $7.99. I will give free shipping if it's more than 3 or more units. Okay. Now, add the required regions for standard shipping. All right, let's see how we can do this. Oh, add new region. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to do Northeast, Midwest, South, and West. And I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to come back. Oh, interesting. So they reset my shipping cost there. Thank you for doing that, Amazon. Didn't really want that. Okay, so for all these states, it shows a transit time of 2 to 4 days. That's just completely irresponsible of Amazon to do that, because if I'm shipping from Boston to the West Coast or to the middle of the country, oftentimes it takes more than 5 days, more than 4 days. So I'm going to set the ground advantage rate is usually, well, it's a big range. If it's going to New York State or to New Hampshire, it's usually about $6 per order. But if it's going all the way out to the West Coast, it's almost $8 per order. So I think I'm going to strike a happy balance there, and I'm going to say $6.99 for all those orders. That'll be ground advantage, and then free shipping above three units or more. I think that's good. Interestingly, they let me do Massachusetts as a separate state, so that's fine. Though that's usually less expensive. Usually for one of my orders, it's about $5.60 or $5.70 per order using ground advantage. So I'm going to say $4.99 per order, and then free shipping above 3 units. And for that, I'll probably do priority mail flat rate, which is pretty reasonable. Okay, I need to change. I'm going to delete this one. And basically, I'm going to try to group it with the other U.S. protectorates. By the way, APO, FPO, sometimes it takes a long time to get to those addresses. I've done it before. So let's give it a shot here. Press OK. Okay, Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico. No, 7 to 14 days, because it's coming from the West Coast for me. And then that's going to be more expensive for ground advantage, but I'm also going to give the free shipping option. Okay. And then all of these other protectorates, so they're actually giving me a long time, which is good, because as I said before, the military the military addresses, sometimes it takes a very long time to get there. But you can use priority mail and things like that, which is probably what I would do. That's usually, the flat rate is $10 or a little bit more sometimes during the holiday period. And I'll do a free shipping if it's above 3 units. Okay, good. Expedited shipping. So 3 to 5 days, I think, for all of these regions. I think that's reasonable for using priority mail. $8.99. I think that sounds about right. I'm going to leave that alone. 2-day delivery. Now, 2-day delivery, that means for me either using USPS priority mail or UPS 2-day delivery, which is very expensive. 2-day delivery is usually $15.99, but I have to actually get it to the UPS store by a certain time. I'd rather do the post office priority mail, which is just more expensive. Priority mail express, I should say. Okay, I'm not going to do free shipping, and then I think we're good for that. I don't do 1-day delivery, and I don't do international shipping. It's just too much of a headache to deal with all of that. So I think I'm going to click save and hope. Okay, there's errors on the shipping template. Let's see what I did wrong. All right, the shipping price must be the same for all continental U.S. regions. Well, all right. Well, they're the one who put Massachusetts there, so I'll have to delete that. Actually, you know what I can do? Let's see if it lets me do this. I'm going to change the price to $6.99 and see if they let me do that. All right, it's liking it. It liked it. All right, I was able to change my price banded template to a per item and weight banded template, which is great. It's a little bit of a pain, but this will save me a lot of grief later on, especially since if I didn't do anything, Amazon would be making my shipments to the lower 48 completely free for customers, and that would just kill my margins. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.